Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today, we're cooking a chicken jalfrezi. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Heat the oil in a saucepan on a medium-high heat. Add the onions and garlic. Cook for 2 minutes. Add the chicken to the pan, as well as the chili powder, turmeric, and salt. Give everything a really good mix. Now add the tomatoes and their juice. Mix everything once more, cover the saucepan and simmer on a medium heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and keep simmering for a further 10 minutes to reduce some of the liquid. Finally, add the ginger, ghee, fresh coriander, ground coriander, and cumin. Stir and simmer for 5 more minutes to heat everything through. Like any good curry, serve with a good pilau rice, poppadoms and onion bhajis for the perfect experience. You'll struggle to go back to a takeaway curry after this. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.